For a country that doesn't see a lot of football played, there sure aren't many dull days in Pakistani football. इस दफ़ा a new franchise league has been announced. 7-8 साल से इस बारे में हम सुन रहे थे. 2014 में एक दफ़ा अटैम्प्ट हुई थी, आई थिंक उससे भी पहले. that never bore fruition. Now, अभी recently actually, Javed Afridi and a lot of other people are actually talking about their own franchise leagues. But उस वक्त PFF ने stern जवाब दिया था कि हमारे बगैर कोई लीग नहीं हो सकती. Now, with the PFF situation in turmoil, we finally have the announcement of a new franchise league in Pakistan. It is called the Pakistan Football League, PFL for short. Global Soccer Ventures, GSV के नाम से एक कंपनी है जिन्होंने इसको अंडरटेक किया प्रोजेक्ट को. They are led by CEO Zeeb Khan, who is ex-sports head for K Electric, and they also have on board ex-Manchester United managing director Mike Fernan. और ये सब इन पार्टनरशिप विद अशफाक ग्रुप PFF है जिन्होंने a few months ago टेक ओवर किया था NC के ऊपर. सो द डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस फ्रेंचाइज लीग आर बेसिकली कि 6 सिटी टीम्स होंगी. थिंक ऑफ द PSL मॉडल. 6 सिटी टीम्स होंगी, बट इन दिस केस व्हाट इज़ डिफरेंट इज़, and this is actually something that is groundbreaking, that each city team or club will be partnered by a separate top European club. मतलब 6 टीमें हैं पाकिस्तान में और 6 टॉप यूरोपियन क्लब्स उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे टेक्निकली एंड फाइनेंशियली. And you will have international and domestic players. So these are the details right now. Obviously with time हमें और चीज़ें पता लगेंगी. These are just the official announcements. Now I want to give my thoughts. I want to let you know what I think, and obviously you can choose to agree, disagree. Feel free to put your thoughts in the comments below. पहली तो बात ये है कि beggars can't be choosers. Okay, I mean, as a Pakistani football fan, I have not had much to go on. Let's be honest, you have not had much to go on. हमारे पास फुटबॉल एक्टिविटी कितनी कोई हुई है, कोई 3 साल के लिए सस्पेंड हुई थी, फिर थोड़ी सी हुई, फिर रुक गई. सो इन दैट केस जब हमारे पास इस तरह की कोई प्रोपोजिशन आती है of football activity being done in this country, we should not let it go, or we should not shun it away immediately. Secondly, the entertainment and the aspect of, you know, increasing the commercial and mainstream popularity of football, अगर उन दोनों aspects से आप इसको देखें, then it is an absolutely amazing project. I mean, it's going to create immense hype for Pakistan in terms of football. Think of the Indian Super League that started, you know, some years ago, जिसमें हम पाकिस्तान से देख रहे थे उधर इतनी ज़्यादा हाइप क्रिएट हो गई थी. स्टेडियम्स वर फुल. यू हैड फॉर्मर प्लेयर्स और इवन करंट प्लेयर्स लाइक रोबर्टो कार्लोस, मार्को माटेराज़ी, निकोलस अनेल्का, मलूडा. ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स आर प्लेइंग इन इंडिया एंड स्टेडियम्स आर फिलिंग अप टू सी देम. एंड व्हाई वुडंट यू? तो उस लिहाज से इधर अगर वही चीज़ ट्रांसलेट हुई, then we're going to see an absolute banger. Okay, we're going to see a great tournament, and it's going to be absolutely amazing in terms of creating the football hype and the entertainment value for Pakistani football. ठीक है, that is very important and that's good. Fans are excited and they should be. जो दूसरी चीज़ है जिस पे अगर हम आते हैं, when you start going into the details of this and how what is missing and what you need to look forward in terms of this project. पहली तो बात ये है कि Pakistan football needs development and grassroots infrastructure. I don't think anyone would disagree. पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा मसला ये है कि 220 मिलियन की population है लेकिन talent pool बहुत कम है. And that sounds weird, that sounds outrageous, that the sixth most populous country in the world does not have the requisite talent pool for the most popular sports in the world. And the reason for that is कि कोई grassroots infrastructure नहीं है, कोई football development पे काम नहीं हुआ हुआ. There is no system in place कि नीचे से player आएँ, उठें, athletes बने who are able to compete. Not only, I'm not even talking about the global stage, I'm talking on the Asian stage. I'm talking on a proper credible level of football. वो ही नहीं होता हमारे से consistently. तो ये एक चीज़ मिसिंग है. Now the franchise system is not really known or not famous for development of football. ठीक है, सिर्फ आई थिंक 3 कंट्रीज़ यूज़ करती हैं पूरी दुनिया में. वन इज़ द US which is very famous, then there is Australia, और अब इंडिया का मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया. तो these are the 3 major countries that use a franchise model. Everyone else, every successful footballing country जिन्होंने अपने एक कल्चर को ग्रो किया है, ग्रास रूट्स फुटबॉल को इन्हांस किया है, they don't use this. So England, Germany, Spain, all of them. So it's not really known for development of football. But here's the catch. COO Mike Fernan, जिसका मैंने पहले आपको बताया था, he has this to say, and I quote, "At the bottom of the pyramid, We're building a grassroots program that can work and support this league by bringing through young and talented players who can go on to do bigger things. Now he's recognizing, and that's good, he's recognizing the franchise league can't go on its own. Like हो नहीं सकता कि 6 टीमों में eventually अगर नीचे से एक proper domestic talent pool नहीं आ रहा, then एक point के बाद even though your international players might not want to play with them, the level of football is not going to be that good. So it's going to be a net cost or a net down for everyone. ठीक है? So he recognizes that and he says कि हमारे पास एक plan है in place which is going to fix this and create a grassroots infrastructure. If, this is a big if, because we haven't really seen a franchise system do this, because this is a twist in the tail. If this happens, if a franchise league in Pakistan has a proper youth and grassroots system, then it is an absolute game changer. It will, if implemented effectively, pave the way for something big, which I will be actually excited about, because that is the one thing that I am looking forward to, is grassroots and youth development in football. So that is something to look forward to. The third thing, which we sort of go into administrative legal issues, जो कि ज़रूरी हैं unfortunately, because Pakistani football ऐसी situation में है, is कि all of you know or probably know that FIFA has suspended Pakistan. The Ashfaq Group PFF, the current one, which has taken over the headquarters, are not recognized as the official PFF. सही है. Since Global Soccer Venture, is partnered with Ashfaq Group PFF, PFL or the Pakistan Football League is not accredited by FIFA or AFC. Its winner cannot compete in the AFC or the FIFA club competitions, the AFC Champions League, the AFC Cup, the FIFA Club World Cup, agar idhar tak kabhi baat jaye, but it cannot. It's not possible right now. Then there's the legal problem of using PFF's name. So if Global Soccer Ventures uses PFF's name officially इस project के अंदर, then maybe there is a legal battle or a legal problem with the normalization committee, with FIFA, and things can get dirty. काफ़ी जल्दी जो है वो मामला बिगड़ सकता है, but let's hope that's not the case. The PFF normalization committee gave a warning against this franchise league, but Global Soccer Ventures and Ashfaq Group really don't care and they've moved ahead anyway. उनको probably I think लगता है कि एक दफ़ा edition ये कराएंगे तो FIFA and everyone else will be on board if it's a success. So let's see about that. Talking about Ashfaq Group though, एक और announcement है, I mean it's not really announcement but something to talk about, कि PFL के सारे इस जो hype create हुई है अभी recently announcement के बाद, उसके अलावा भी पाकिस्तान में football activity शुरू होने लगी है. The Pakistan Premier League is starting on Independence Day, 14th August, by Ashfaq Group, who are currently presiding over the PFF headquarters. उन्होंने league announce की है, वो करवा रहे हैं. It's going to be in 4 cities: Multan, Quetta, Faisalabad, Karachi. There are 12 teams. So I mean the usual, you have SSGC, you have Civil Aviation Authority, you have Navy, you have Army, you have all those teams. But दो जो notable चीज़ें हैं वो ये हैं कि माशा यूनाइटेड जो कि B डिवीज़न से प्रमोट हुई थी along with कराची यूनाइटेड एंड GPA, गवादर पोर्ट अथॉरिटी, वो नहीं है. They have refused to play according to reports because I think one of the things that has been cited is कि उनके international players उन्होंने मंगाने थे और उसके since this is not actually FIFA accredited, so they can't really play. It's going to be an issue, so they have refused. जो दूसरी चीज़ है which is sort of very sad, इसके GPA इस दफ़ा नहीं आ रही, even though they were invited, even though they accepted, even though they were promoted in the B division. They have financial issues. They do not have the necessary funds to make it and play in PPL. Now that is extremely sad. I don't know for you, but for me, especially because GPA has been one of the most fun teams to watch in Pakistani football for me. Their playing style, वो जिस तरह football खेलते हैं, that is absolutely beautiful. I think they're one of the best teams to watch in the country. Possession football, playing on the feet, being brave with the ball, ये उनकी qualities हैं जो वो शुरू से उनका footballing culture ही ऐसा है. I've had the privilege of talking to Wajid, their player, and he told me all about this, and I've been a fan before that. और उसके बाद तो मैं बिल्कुल पक्का हो गया था. I think I was so looking forward to watching them, लेकिन unfortunately मुझे news मिली है कि वो नहीं आ सकते, and this just goes to show the problems we have in Pakistani football. Anyway, this tournament is starting on Independence Day, 14th August. It's streamed on Facebook. I think Ashfaq Group have a separate PFF page on which they're going to stream this. Do check that out if you want to watch it. And according to reports, when the PPL ends, I think it's going to take a few months, a couple of months at least, the PFL is going to start, so around in winter. And rest assured, we'll be covering it all for you, whether it's PPL, whether it's PFL. We're going to bring you honest, unbiased football opinions. Catch you later. Take it easy.